For all the parents out there seeking to nurture cleanliness and organization in their little ones, this video aims to be a valuable resource. Hello there, and thank you for joining us as we delve into the world of 5 fun games to teach kids about cleaning up. Throughout this video, we'll explore the significance of teaching children about cleaning up while introducing exciting games that will keep them engaged in the process. Cleaning up is an essential life skill that children should learn from a young age. Not only does it help keep their environment tidy, but it also teaches them responsibility and good habits for the future. However, it can be challenging to get children excited about cleaning up, so we have put together 5 fun games to make the process more enjoyable. First game is called Tidy Up Treasure Hunt. In this game, you hide small treasures, like toys or stickers, in the room that needs to be cleaned up. Give your child a list of items to find and let them search for the treasures while cleaning up at the same time. This game makes cleaning up more exciting and rewarding for your child. The second game is Speed Cleaning. In this game, you set a timer for a certain amount of time, say 5 or 10 minutes, and challenge your child to clean up as much as they can before the time runs out. You can make it a competition and see who can clean up the most, or offer a small reward for completing the task in time. This game makes cleaning up a fun challenge for your child. The third game is Cleaning Olympics. In this game, you create different cleaning tasks, such as dusting, vacuuming, or wiping surfaces, and time your child as they complete each task. You can make it more exciting by adding obstacles, such as cleaning while hopping on one foot or cleaning while blindfolded. This game makes cleaning up a fun and active experience for your child. The fourth game is Clean Up Karaoke. You play your child's favorite music and challenge them to clean up their room while singing along. You can even turn it into a dance party and get the whole family involved. The fifth and final game is Clean Up Bingo. You create a bingo card with different cleaning tasks, such as making the bed, folding clothes, or putting away toys. Your child can mark off each task as they complete it, and once they complete a row, they get a small reward. Thank you for watching our video about 5 fun games to teach kids about cleaning up. We hope these games will make the cleaning process more enjoyable and engaging for your child. Teaching children about cleaning up is an essential life skill that will benefit them in the future. Don't forget to use